How to use Audiate with a microphone. First of all, connect your microphone to your computer and make sure it is recognized by your system. Open Audiate and check the input settings to select your microphone as the recording device. This ensures Audiate captures your voice directly from the mic. Next, create a new project or open an existing one. Hit the record button and start speaking clearly into the microphone. Audiate will automatically transcribe your audio into editable text, which makes it easy to spot mistakes or unwanted parts. After recording, use the text editor to remove filler words, pauses, or errors by simply deleting the words. You can also use the built-in noise reduction feature to improve sound quality by reducing background noise and echoes. This step helps your voice come through crisp and professional. Finally, listen to your edited audio and make any additional adjustment. And that's it. Now you know how to use Audiate with a microphone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.